Moms of TikTok, this is how you're winning Easter this year. You need to get the NeeDoh Easter bundle. It comes with the NeeDoh Golden Egg Hunt, which has a golden egg in it. It has the NeeDoh Fuzzball Flower Power, which is my favorite soft NeeDoh. It has the nice cube swirl, which is absolutely gorgeous. Like, how can you not? It has the super hard to find bunny hops. This is the only place you're going to find this here on TikTok. They are scented, they are soft, they are squishy, and it has a Dip and Dazzler egg. If you have not seen them yet, they go in ice water and they change color. How cool is that? This bundle is already selling out. It has only been out for 1 week, so go pick it up before it sells out.